Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this ruffled, this double ruffled bikini top. So I've made the first one and now I'm going to show you how to make the second one. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is the opposite side to this one. You can make it the same pattern as in with the blue and the white, but instead I'm going to make white blue. So to get started, we are going to make a slip knot and we're going to chain 13 and this is for a size small. So after we chain 13, I'm going to hold that and chain 3 more, yarn over and make a double crochet into that 13th stitch or chain. Just like that. So I'll continue with making my double crochets until I have one chain stitch left. Now that I have one chain left, I'm going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 and make 3 more into that same space. 1, 2, 3, just like that. So now what I'm going to do is to continue with my double crochets until I am at the end, while I hide this string at the back as well. So you continue to make your own until you're at the end, and I'll show you what to do after that. So now that we're at the end, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn our work and continue with our double crochets until we're at the space that we made up top. So you'll continue with your double crochets or single crochets, whatever type of crochets that you decided to use. Now that we're at the top, we're going to make 2 double crochets in the space. 1, 2, chain 1, yarn over and make 2 more double crochets within that space. So just like that. So we'll just continue with our double crochets at the end. So just like that. So that is the first 2 rows. So because I'm working on a size small, I'm going to do this for a number of, well, a total of 5 rows. As you can see with this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to do that for a total of 5 rows and then show you what to do next. Now that I'm finished with my rows, all 5, with my gaps as well at the top, what I'm going to do is to chain 1 and make a border for the back, right, well, the bottom. So I'm going to make single crochets until I am at the end. And try to get this piece at the end as well. So after finishing making my single crochets at the bottom, I am going to chain one and cut my yarn. So now we're going to make this strap. To do so, you can take your hook and insert it in the, not the gap, but the chain at the top. We're going to tie the yarn. So chain one and we'll start to make our chain for the strap. And you cut your yarn just like that. So the next part that we're going to do is to make our ruffles like this. To do so, you get your colored yarn, or could be the same yarn. If you're using the same yarn, you don't have to cut it. You can just go ahead and start making your ruffles. So what we're going to do is to make a slip knot like this, and then attach it to the piece that is not showing this end, this piece, right? And in the space here, if you can see, we're going to put it at the front first, and then when we're doing the back, we'll put it in the back loop. So we're going to attach our yarn in the front loops only. So we're going to take our hook, insert it in the front loops, in the first single crochet, attach our yarn and chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice and make 1 treble crochet. So that is the first one. I'm going to yarn over twice, insert into the first loop in the second chain, and make 5 treble crochets. So 2, that's 2, 3, yarn over twice, 4, yarn over twice, and 5. So that's how it is. So yarn over twice. In the third chain, insert our hook into the first loop only, and make 2 treble crochets. So the pattern will be 2 treble crochets, 5 treble crochets, 2 treble crochets, 5 treble crochets. So 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5 until they're at the end. You continue with that same pattern of 2, 5, 2, 5, right? And remember, it's in the first loop only until you're at the end here. So just to show you, so after I've made 2, right, I'm going to yarn over twice and make 5 into that first loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to continue until we're at the end, before we are at the back part of it. You can also make it with double crochets as well, but for this what I'm doing, I chose to do treble crochets. So you're going to do it in the, remember to do it in the front loops only, because you need the back loops, right? So I'll show you what to do when you're at the last loop. Remember the front loop only. So now that we're at the end, what we're going to do is to start working at the back. So I finished with 5 treble crochets. So I am going to make 2 treble crochets. So yarn over twice. Now what you need to look for is these loops. Hope you can see them properly, but you see it on yours. And you're going to insert your hook into the space that you're seeing. And in the meantime, I'm just going to hide my extra yarn there, just like that, and make 2 treble crochets, just like that. So when you bend it like this, you should see the spaces here, and that's where you're going to insert your hook to make your treble crochets. So after I made 2, yarn over and into the next space, I'll make 5. Just like that. So that's what you need to do for the double ruffles. So in all the spaces here, you just insert your hook and continue with making your ruffles. So be careful not to snag the front ruffles. So you just need to hold it down like so. So it's easier to handle. So I've made my 2, find my loop, and make my treble crochet. Just like that. So I'll continue until I am at the end, and when you're at the end, what you need to do is just to attach it to the chain 4 that we did before. So I'll show you how to do that. So just continue making your treble crochets. Remember the rows, the pattern is 2 treble crochets, 5 treble crochets, so 2 5 2 5. So that's what you need to do. So now that I'm finished with making all my ruffles, what I'm going to do is to make a slip stitch with the chain 4 that I did at the beginning, like this, chain 1 and cut, just like that. And that is how it looks. So all you need to do now is to take your tapestry needle and to just hide the excess yarn in between. Just like that. And this is how it looks. Alright, so for the straps, what we're going to do is to make a slip knot and then chain as many that you would like to go around your bust area, and that's it. So we'll just cut our yarn, pull tight, and then we're going to attach it in between the top. So you get your tapestry needle like so, and we are just going to feed it through the bra cup, the bottom of the bra cup. So we'll go under and then over. So we're doing every two, or whichever you like, you feel comfortable with doing. Just like that, and then at the end, and pull through. I'm going to do the other side. So we went under for this, so we're going to go under for the front, this one as well. Go through every 2 rows. And then at the end, and pull through just like this. So you'll see how it looks at the end of the video on the mannequin. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.